What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a lawyer.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have two brothers.
Where do your parents live?
They live in Chicago.
Is your family big?
Yes, I have a big family.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
What food do you like?
I like Italian food.
What music do you listen to?
I listen to pop music.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like basketball.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I'm healthy.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise regularly.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, every day.
How much do you sleep?
I sleep 8 hours.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, every morning.
Do you live alone?
No, with my family.
Is your house big?
Yes, it has 4 rooms.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, it's very quiet.
Is it expensive?
Yes, quite expensive.
Do you have good neighbors?
Yes, they are friendly.
What is your phone number?
My number is 5551234.
What is your email?
My email is anna@email.com.
What is your address?
I live on Main Street.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram.
How can I contact you?
By phone or email.
What do you study?
I study English.
Where do you study?
The language school.
Do you like studying?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What subjects do you like?
I like math and science.
Who is your teacher?
Mrs. Smith is my teacher.
Do you take notes during class?
Yes, in my notebook.
How do you practice what you learn?
I watch English movies.
Do you have homework regularly?
Yes, every evening.
Do you want to learn any new languages?
Yes, I want to learn Spanish.
Do you take classes for Spanish?
Yes, twice weekly.
Do you like learning?
Yes, it's interesting.
What skills do you have?
Cook and drive.
Do you learn online?
Yes, through courses.
Do you visit libraries?
Yes, to study.
Do you read books?
Yes, every evening.
What is your favorite subject?
Math is my favorite.
Do you prefer group or individual study?
I prefer group study.
Do you use a computer for studying?
Yes, for research.
How often do you check emails?
Every morning.
Do you take breaks while studying?
Yes, 1 hour for lunch.
Do you enjoy exams?
No, they are stressful.
What motivates you to study?
My goals motivate me.
Do you study on weekends?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you have a study schedule?
Yes, I plan daily.
Do you like your school?
Yes, it's great.
What challenges do you face in studying?
Sometimes it's difficult.
Do you study with friends?
Yes, we study together.
What tools do you use for studying?
Books, notebooks, and apps.
Do you attend workshops?
Yes, occasionally.
What is your dream career?
To become a doctor.
What is your job?
I am a doctor.
Do you like your work?
Yes, I love my job.
Where do you work?
The city hospital.
Is your job difficult?
Sometimes it is difficult.
Do you work long hours?
Yes, I work 8 hours.
Do you work weekends?
No, only Monday to Friday.
Do you like your schedule?
Yes, it's good.
What do you do after work?
I go to the gym.
Do you use a computer for work?
Yes, for work.
Do you check emails often?
Yes, every morning.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every morning.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat cereal and fruit.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, 2 cups daily.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
Do you take breaks during work?
Yes, 1 hour for lunch.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
Do you work weekends?
No, only Monday to Friday.
Do you like your schedule?
Yes, it's good.
What do you do after work?
I go to the gym.
When do you eat dinner?
7 p.m.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, most days.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, in the evening.
What time do you sleep?
10:30 p.m.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, 3 times weekly.
How often do you shop?
Once a week.
Do you clean your house?
Yes, every weekend.
When do you do laundry?
On Saturdays.
Do you have regular meetings?
Yes, every Monday.
Do you study English?
Yes, every day.
Where do you study?
The library.
Do you take notes?
Yes, in my notebook.
How do you practice English?
I watch English movies.
Do you have homework?
Yes, every evening.
Do you use a computer?
Yes, for work.
How often do you check email?
Every morning.
Do you play video games?
Sometimes on weekends.
Do you use social media?
Yes, every day.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, in my free time.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading and sports.
Do you play music?
Yes, I play guitar.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Do you take photos?
Yes, with my phone.
Do you collect anything?
Yes, I collect stamps.
What movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you watch TV series?
Yes, on Netflix.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you read books?
Yes, every evening.
Do you play sports?
Yes, basketball and tennis.
What food do you like?
I like Italian food.
Do you like spicy food?